Nin the Ninja Crab. Nin had spent most of her childhood on Sacred Rock, learning the art of being crafty, quick and dangerous like a ninja crab. Her teacher was Crancus Heglocus, a wise and kind crab. He had been like a grandfather to her and had raised her to be a strong and brave spider crab. "Nin," whispered Crancus Heglocus one day. He always whispered his words. "You have reached an important age. It is time for you to venture into the open sea." "What? But I can't leave Sacred Rock." Nin didn't want to leave, although she had known for some time that this day would come. "You will return one day to take my place to lead the little crabs. But for now, the time has come for you to go and gain experience and help the creatures that need you." Nin wasn't sure if she was ready for the open sea. She was the best ninja crab on the rock, that much was true, but she had never been in a real battle. Crancus put his claw on Nin's back and whispered, "You are brave, you are strong, you are ready." Crancus was good at giving a confidence boost, but before Nin was able to thank him, a huge hand came from the waves above and grabbed hold of Crancus. A human had picked him up. A human! Crancus couldn't do a thing, but Nin responded quickly with some super fast ninja moves. Whoop, smack, woo! 3 moves and a painful pinch for the gigantic hand. Crancus was dropped and he was thrown off Sacred Rock. "Crancus!" shouted Nin behind him. But it was too late. An underwater current had swept him away. Nin had no time to think. She had to rescue Crancus. "You are brave, you are strong, you are ready." Crancus' words echoed in her head as she jumped into the current behind him. Nin was swept after Crancus. She was spiralling uncontrollably and she couldn't see Crancus ahead of her. She had been trained to focus her mind and control herself in an emergency. So she focused and aimed at a change in the direction of the current ahead and jumped out. That's what Crancus would have done, she thought. In a flash of strength, Nin managed to throw herself out of the current and land on a small rock next to a shipwreck. She tried to catch her breath before looking for Crancus. She didn't have to look very far, but unfortunately, Crancus had managed to escape from one dangerous situation and had landed in another one. Nin hid and watched as a big, ugly octopus held Crancus by his leg. "Well, here's a wonderful surprise. The great Crancus Heglocus landing here from heaven," said Oswyn the naughty octopus. "Great. You, Crancus, can teach us all how to be octo-ninjas," said another little octopus, with his eyes glowing brightly. They both swam away, dragging a broken-hearted Crancus with them. "Oh no, this is a disaster," thought Nin. If Oswyn the Octopus was going to force Crancus to teach them to be octo-ninjas, the sea creatures would be in big trouble. Oswyn was a cruel creature who wanted to rule the seabed, and someone had to stop him. Someone needed to save Crancus Heglocus. Nin narrowed her eyes. "I am brave. I am strong. I am ready," she said to herself as she clawed her way quietly and quickly behind them.